Hi, my name is Kamau Maina, expert in intelligent collaboration, Southern Africa region. Welcome to the future of smart collaboration. I introduce to you the Huawei IdeaHub S2, a cutting-edge interactive screen designed to revolutionize the way we collaborate, connect, and learn. Let's explore its incredible features. First up is point-to-point projection, and we are going to put in that code in our IdeaShare app here. And once it populates there, we connect wirelessly with the device. And as you can see, the content on my computer is actually shared directly to this device. And from here, I can actually be able to go into full presentation mode. And also another feature is that we can do cross screen annotation. So if I write something here and then somebody on the screen or multiple screens can also be able to write something, and we can actually be multiple people being able to collaborate. The second feature I want to show is what we call bring your own meeting. So again, using reverse control, I will actually go in and join a meeting here. This meeting can be any cloud-based meeting. It can be Microsoft Teams, it can be Zoom or WebEx or whatever meeting app that you actually use. And here, once it's connected, you can actually enable your camera. And once you enable your camera, you actually use the camera of the device, the microphone of the device, and even the speakers of the device. And I've recruited the camera crew here to show some very cool AI functions. This is called speaker tracking. Whoever is speaking, when one of the speakers speaks, it actually zooms into that person.
Hi, how are you? Testing. Oh, it's looking at me.
And when the other person speaks, it zooms into them. But then there is another very cool feature. If two people speak at the same time, the screen actually splits into two to focus on the two people talking. The next feature that I want to show you is actually our advanced whiteboard function. And you can see if I start the whiteboard function here. So this is the whiteboard. And here we have some settings. You can change the background of the whiteboard. You can also put a grid for the whiteboard. And also we have what we call Smart Pen. And when you enable the Smart Pen, you can actually be able to write IdeaHub, and it converts that into proper text, and I can actually be able to delete very easily like that. I can also be able to do simple shapes. So if I draw a circle, it actually converts that to a proper circle. If I draw a square, it draws a perfect square or rectangle, whatever it is. Another feature is the fact that we have very low writing latency. So if I write, there is no delay on what I'm writing, which means that it's as if I'm writing on a normal analog whiteboard. And the other feature I want to show you is actually what we call acoustic buffer. And with acoustic buffer, when you enable the acoustic buffer, as you can see, there's a blue screen area, and any audio outside this area is not picked up. As you can see, I'm talking, I'm outside the blue area, but then the moment I move into the blue area, you can actually see the microphone is moving. And this is a feature that's very good, because if you deploy this in open office, any noise outside the blue area will actually not be picked up. As you can see, Huawei IdeaHub S2 is the intelligent device to make your workspaces smarter, faster, and more intelligent. Welcome to experience the innovation of IdeaHub S2. Thank you.